showed y'all the reverse Brazils, and that was dope. That was actually refreshing. I even showed y'all the Supreme High Dunks in the Brazil colorway, and I like those too. This sneaker just keeps coming out, guys. If you look on StockX, when you try to purchase this sneaker third party, it says from 2020 to 2024. This sneaker came out so much in recent years, StockX don't even know how to tell the difference in the 4 years. Sneaker still fire. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out, and I'm back with another dunk review. Maybe back for the first time, right? Because, I did this, right? Y'all remember, I did the reverse. I showed y'all in the intro the reviews I did in recent memories with this sneaker. But this sneaker's so iconic, every time it comes out, I'm cocking. Every time, guys. I wound up getting rid of the Supreme high top joints because I felt like the Brazil colors on the high top was a little loud. But this sneaker's still iconic, man. The quality still A1. The reverse Brazils I like, but I'd rather the OG Virgin, guys. So this dropped on the Nike app last week. I think retail was $120 or something. It came yesterday, and man, it looks like they put some Vaseline on this. This sneaker's definitely shining more than the reverse and the Supreme joints, for sure, man. So, you know what we do here at Sneaker Notes, man. We're going to get into a 4K in-depth release. The Jordan 4 Reimagined Bread Shock dropped yesterday. I copped a pair for my son. I'm going to get my pair, but y'all know I like to see it. In my son size first to make sure I want to take that step. But we got a review of that coming too. But let's get into a 4K review of the new Brazils for 2024. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that dark orange or light red Nike box that we get. When the dunk is just a dunk, it's not a premium. It doesn't have a theme behind it. Even though we know the Brazil is the theme, and that's an iconic dunk. One of the best colorways, up there with the Michigans, the Georgetowns. I like the Syracuse too. In the comment section below, let me know what regular dunk colorway that is iconic to you. We all know the Pandas done took over, but it's a lot of college teams that have iconic colorways. And it reads Nike Dunk Low SP, so it is kind of special, I guess. And it's Varsity Maize, Pond Green, White. The same colorway that the Supreme Brazil joints had also. When you flip open this lid, you get that white tissue paper. It's just a regular dunk, guys. Nothing else. You don't even get the sticker, but it's not an SB. They got a quality control stamp right there, guys. So, you know, if you're looking for real versus fake, that's one thing right there that you're not going to get from nowhere else. That Nike quality control stamp right there. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Varsity Maize Brazil joints, man. And like I told y'all in the beginning, man, y'all see it. It looks like it's glossed up, guys. Vaseline everywhere. This sneaker is shining, guys. Shining, man. So let's start with the toe box. Y'all see the gloss on the toe box, guys? Very glossy, man. Soft material, man. It's close to premium leather, guys. I'm not going to lie. It's close, man. Very close. Soft leather. But the gloss is look at the gloss around the toes, the green around the toes. So this is the OG, not the reverse. The reverse had the yellow where the green is and the green where the yellow is. And the Supreme High had a nice heart here. Very dope. But something about an OG, man. You come in white shoelaces. I wish they would have vintaged this out and made it like vintage, you know, that off-white or that, you know, that vintage yellowing shoelace, but you get the flat regular Dunk shoelaces. They just kept it OG, and I don't mind. The middle has your yellow on top of your green swoosh, and that even gloss. You see the glow in that, guys. No tumbleness, but the Dunk is not known for the tumbleness, but the leather is definitely soft. As soon as your foot get in here, you will make some creases, guys, for sure. Come around the swoosh, get the green on green action there from the sandwich of the green. Then you got the yellow on the top. And let's get to my favorite logo on the back. Just the classic Nike Dunk logo. I love that logo, guys. That's yellow on top of the green. Speaking of green, your sock liner is green, which I like. No one likes a dirty sock liner, so getting a light color sock liner is very difficult at times. They could have did the yellow, but they kept it OG and kept it green there. So the back, you get your Sprite look. Green, yellow, green. There go your classic white sandwiched at the bottom that you get on the Dunks. And then at the bottom, the green creeps in again, making the bottom of the sneaker all green. I think on the reverses, it was all yellow with the green in the middle. They kept it all green here, which I like. The inside is also green with a yellow Nike swoosh. Let's get to the tongue. That's where you get more of the yellow. The tongue is in a mesh classic OG Dunk yellow with a white tab with a Nike logo on the top in green. I felt like they could have gave us some yellow shoelaces or some green shoelaces, but that $120 price tag with a Dunk, you can't really be too choosy on things, man. But I want y'all to look at the green swoosh, the Nike check. That has such a gloss to it, guys. It's crazy. That was the right. This is the left head, guys. Nothing's changed. Same gloss, man. It's crazy, man. I don't have a glue stain. I do have a little stitching situation, but nothing too, like, out of pocket where, like, I would rate this as bad quality, man. The sneaker's great all the way around, guys. Yes, sir. So as I can remember, this sneaker came out in 2001. I remember because at that time, I was such a Jordan 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 head that Dunks wasn't even on my radar. And I'm kind of sad that I missed that iconic. I think that's why I go so crazy now, because I missed that whole 2000 era. But these came out in 2001, and I remember because they came out in high and low at the same time. The reason why I think we're seeing this sneaker now again is because I believe the World Cup is coming. I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan. Yeah, I know. And the Dallas Stadium is hosting the game, so I keep hearing about that. So I think that's the reason why we're getting these Brazils back right now. But 4 times in 4 years, back to back to back, it's feeling like a Jordan 1 in my opinion, man. But man, dope sneaker, $120, I believe, and I like them, man. Sizes are popping up like every once in a while on like websites I never heard of, but I'm sure they legit because of the people that's giving me the links. But far as Nike, they're sold out. This sneaker, this colorway is a colorway that's gonna sell out every time. But 4 years, 4 times, different variations. I'm sure you can get a pair somehow, some way. I even almost doubled back and brought them Supreme ones back because I got so many like styles to rock with it. But when I saw these was releasing, I just didn't push the button. Right now, resale is like 140, 130. It's an easy get, man. But again, in the comment section below, let me know what iconic regular Dunk colorway is your favorite. I like this look, but this is more on the loud side. On the settle side, I love the Michigans. I've been trying to acquire them off-white Nike Dunk Michigans, but I'm just trying to find the right price, guys. All the boxes are beat up on those. That sneaker's like a long time ago. R.I.P. Virgil, man. But yeah, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.